What's up guys? Today I'm going to talk about how to get clients for your screen business when you're first starting out. To give a bit of context, I just finished film school and these are the things that helped me while studying full time to get clients and build my portfolio. So now that when I'm out of uni, I actually have work. The first and biggest thing that has helped me grow my portfolio of actually paying clients is by being actually in the community and building relationships. Because when you're with other filmmakers, there's obviously going to be roles that are needed, or they want to know if there's a video. There might be producers there who are looking for someone to shoot a video, or who are looking for an editor or a director. If you're in the community, you're going to get more gigs person to person, and that has like trust value with it. The second thing that has really helped me to get gigs, and it goes back to being a part of the community, is my university's emailing list. So like that'd be just heaps of people wanting video work that go through the uni, and it'd be open to us students because it's not quite at that high threshold yet. They're not quite paying that much, but at least they're paying. Through the uni email, I've been able to get clients, and I think if say you're not going to film school, obviously you don't have an email list, but I think that'd be like a similar thing in a local organization or something like that. The thing that has helped me is having social media pages that showcase my work, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, and like a website for people to go back to just see the whole thing. That has helped like create a kind of trust that like I'm legit. So yeah, I highly recommend setting those things up and posting at least kind of regularly so people know that you're still like existing. The fourth thing that has extremely helped me, and it's very passive as well, is optimize hashtags. I actually got a gig by having my having the hashtag on one of my posts, Gold Coast where I live, videographer, and that's how I got a gig. These guys contacted me and ta-da! I did a video for them, and yeah, I've built a good foundation from that. So highly recommend optimizing your hashtags, and really do like research like for your local community. So it's not like Australia videographer, do your local town, so people are actually going to search that stuff. Another thing that has actually helped me acquire new clients, and this is something that I've been doing quite recently out of film school because I have the time and I want to like get clients and make this my main money maker. So the biggest thing I've done is cold emailing people, and not only does it get me used to rejection, but I've actually had some leads from it. So legit just like exploiting any connection you have to potentially have a client. And the second thing that I've been now doing relates to this whole YouTube channel, which is just create, no matter what. Showcase that you're like still making shit, you're the video guy, or if this isn't a screen business in your scenario, that you're the something guy. Like you're just making. In the same vein, these are the things that I've been wanting to do now that I'm out of uni. So this is a bit meta. This channel wasn't quite created as a creative outlet for me or showcasing my work, but as a personal brand where I can like show that, oh, I'm the video guy. Wow, look at me. I do how-to videos. I'm the expert. Like I will really want to build that thing because I feel social media is super undervalued. If you don't believe me, just Google search Gary Vee. He's, oh Jesus, I'm probably gonna get scammed from there. Anyway, I think personal branding is something a lot of businesses should be doing, and it's something I want to explore with my screen business, so do it. Do it. Okay, the next thing I've been wanting to do is social media, like community giving. Before I said, oh, cold emailing, that's the shit. But what if there was a more like actual way to get clients that wasn't so like, hey, this is me, I'm a videographer, hire me. It was more like actually building relationships and being in the community. So what I propose is, and what I am actively doing now, is going onto my business page on Instagram, searching up even the competition of other videographers and seeing their video work and actually responding with value and being a part of that community, because potential clients are going to see your comment, see your expertise and be like, oh shit, this guy is new and he's probably like half the rate. Wow. Not really, but you're going to be in that community. People are going to see your post, they're going to see that you give value, and then you could potentially get clients from that. Weirder shit may happen. And another thing I really want to do, and it's like treason that I haven't done it yet, is explain a video of what my production company does and how we do it, which is, yeah, treason, because we're a video production company and we don't have a video explaining what we do. And the fourth thing is targeted advertisement for businesses that I want to work with. People who actually have money for me to sustain a reliable business and income. So yeah, those are all the things that I am doing or have done to grow my screen business. I hope it kind of helps if you're a beginner like me. If you have any thoughts, questions or anything, just leave it in the comment box down below. I'll be sure to reply. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think. What has worked for you? Sweet. Peace. More videos coming. 3 videos a week. I'm sticking to it. See ya. Oh yeah, before I go, I just want to explain like how I don't know, extra this is, that like very behind the scenes of how it was all made. So this is actually my brother's old room, and yeah, super tiny, but I have a mattress on the door because Sammy's listening to a loud podcast. So yeah, you guys can do it too. Go and do it. See ya.